How to manage sync data on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage sync data on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now click this one, settings and privacy, and then you will need to find this one here, accessibility, display and languages. Click on it and then you will see this one, data usage. Click on it and now all you need to do is just find this one here, sync data. Just click on it if you want to turn it off and click on it again if you want to turn it on. And that's how many sync data on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.